Good morning, children. Class 4, second lesson. Plants prepare their own food. Here we are having page number 9. We have got our lesson 2. I have written hard words. First one is synthesis. Second one is autotrophs. Third one is stomata. Fourth one is chlorophyll. Fifth one is photosynthesis. And again on the page number 13 we are having answer the following questions. Okay, we are having questions. What is photosynthesis? I have not written questions, I have directly written answers, so just copy. This is the question. So here we have questions. Okay, what is photosynthesis? So this is the page number 13. I have given answers for it. First one, photosynthesis is a process by which green plants prepare their food out of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of light. First answer completed. Second one, all leaves have the same basic structure, a midrib, an edge, veins and a petiole. Second answer is completed. Third question is, where do plants store the excess starch? So the answer is, the starch is stored by organelle called amyloplast. Okay. Then fourth one, mention 3 uses of plants. It is asking to tell any 3 uses of plants. So plants provide, fourth answer is, plants provide food, clothing, fuel, shelter. Fifth question, how can we prove that there is starch in the leaves? Answer is, the presence of starch in the leaves can be tested by the iodine test. Sixth question is, how do mushrooms and molds get food? How they get food? So mushrooms depend on dead and decaying matter for their food. So we have completed question answers. We will go through our lesson. Okay. So plants do not eat food, but they prepare their own food. They directly do not eat like us human beings and animals, but they prepare their own food. They are called as autotrophs. What is photosynthesis? Now, leaves prepare the food by a process called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means making. So, it is called as photosynthesis. Okay. Test of starch. How we are going to do test of starch? The presence of starch can be tested by adding a few drops of iodine solution to it. So let us take a green leaf for starch. We are taking a green leaf. The first step is to remove its green pigment. So first we need to remove its green pigment. Then this process is called as bleaching. Bleaching is done by boiling the leaf first in water and then in alcohol. When a few drops of iodine is poured over the bleached leaf, it turns blue-black. So it proves that starch present in the leaf. How plants are useful? Plants are useful. Most of the food grains come from the plants of grass family. Like rice, wheat, maize belongs to grass family. And we get from plants fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea and sugar are obtained from the plants. Medicines are made from plants like tulsi and neem are used for medicinal purpose. Okay. And we get rubber, gum, paper and perfumes from plants. We get wood for furniture, doors and windows from trees. Grass is a main food for cattle and other animals. Grass is grown to save the topsoil from being washed away. Interdependence and balance in nature. So how we are depending upon other on the nature. Animal and plants depend on each other for their survivals. Animal get the food to eat and oxygen to breathe from plants. Plants depend on the animals for the requirement of carbon dioxide to prepare food. We animals will inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay. So as this, plants needs carbon dioxide to prepare its food. So we have protect the plants and animals in nature. A balance between the number of plants and animals is very important in nature. Under Wildlife Protection Program, wild and animals are given special protection in sanctuaries. So what are sanctuaries? Where all the animals are kept safe and all the animals are being given food for their livelihood. Okay. So it was our class, lesson number 2. Plants prepare their own food. Thank you, children. This is your classwork. Write in your classwork.